Here today to talk about an error message, how to fix an error message related to your activation date. Right now, I am in the data quality checker for my property. I've run it for December 31st, 2021. You'll always run it December 31st of the year of data you're reporting. So as of this recording, we are reporting for the year 2021, and then you run your checker. There are two error messages I have up right now that are both related to the same issue of activation date error. The first says, do not have at least one meter active for each of the 12 months in the year selected. And the other is one or more fuel types does not have enough meter data to calculate weather normalized EUI. So we're actually going to fix both of these errors with this one solution. And there probably are other errors that could come up related to this activation date, such as if your activation date error is in your water tab, that would come up with a different error, etc. So I'm going to go into my property. I'm going to go to my energy tab. I'm going to click on the natural gas meter. And you'll already see that the date the meter became active, which you've entered for natural gas, is after the first bill date you have entered. If you continue, these bills will not be used in your metrics. So it's already telling me, even when I'm just in this tab, that there's an error. And so to change your activation date, you go into your basic meter information. And you can see that the date the meter became active is right here. And this right now is set to January 5th, 2021. And if I scroll down to my monthly entries, you can see that my data starts 12/5/2020. And so I'm just going to scroll up. I'm going to set this to that first date that the meter entries start, which is the 12/5/2020, and I'm going to hit Save Changes. You'll see that there's still an error under here, and that's probably just because I need to scroll down and also save my bills to get rid of that. And now you'll see that I've fully gotten rid of all errors. And if I go back to my property and I check for possible errors and I set that again for December 31st, 2021 and run checker, I've now gotten rid of both of those error messages. If doing that does not solve the error messages that you have, just get in touch with the current sustainability associate for the city that you're reporting, and hopefully we can figure out what the problem actually is.